Did you know that research shows a plant-based diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases by up to 70%? That's right. We're talking about heart disease, diabetes, and even some cancers. If that doesn't grab your attention, I don't know what will. Hey! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of plant-based diets. There's been a lot of buzz around it lately, and for good reason. More and more people are switching to plant-based eating, and it's not just a trend, it could actually save your life. Let's address a critical issue, the health challenges that are increasingly affecting our society. Heart disease has become the leading cause of death globally, and diabetes rates are climbing rapidly. Much of this can be directly linked to the way we eat. Traditional diets, packed with processed foods, sugary drinks, and red meats, are major contributors to these chronic health issues. People are struggling with weight gain, high cholesterol, and blood sugar spikes. It's a real problem, and we need solutions that actually work. So, how does a plant-based diet come into play? Well, studies have shown that people who adopt a plant-based diet experience significant health improvements. For instance, a study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that those eating a plant-based diet had a 40% lower risk of heart disease. That's huge. Plus, there are countless testimonials from individuals who've experienced life-changing health benefits after making the switch. They report increased energy levels, weight loss, and even improved mental clarity. It's like flipping a switch for your body. Eating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes can provide your body with essential nutrients while reducing inflammation and improving heart health. Let me share a powerful story with you. There's this incredible guy named John who was struggling with obesity and borderline diabetes. He decided to give a plant-based diet a shot after learning about its benefits. Within just a few months, he lost over 50 pounds, his blood sugar levels stabilized, and he felt better than he had in years. His doctor couldn't believe the turnaround. This isn't just about weight loss, it's about reclaiming your health and vitality. John is living proof that switching to a plant-based diet can lead to dramatic changes, and his story is just one of many out there. To sum it all up, going plant-based isn't just a trendy diet, it's a lifestyle change that can lead to a healthier, longer life. With the potential to lower your risk of chronic diseases and improve your overall well-being, why not give it a try? The benefits are clear, and the health changes can be life-saving. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried a plant-based diet? What was your experience like? Drop your comments below. For those ready to take the plunge into plant-based living, be sure to check the description below for a special link packed with tips and recipes to get you started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.